Hello everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect brush to clean the floors and seats of your car or to clean the furniture of your home or office? Well, look no further. Check out this nifty brush by Chemical Guys. It's perfectly designed to scrub dust, dirt, and debris from seats, carpets, floor mats, and many other surfaces. This gentle scrubbing brush is made with full synthetic bristles that could stand up to many years of detailing use. These bristles, they're going to transfer powerful scrubbing action into the sensitive fabrics and stains and contamination. Here's a closer look at this powerful but gentle tool. And you can also use this brush for your home, kitchen, dorm room, and anywhere surfaces need cleaning. You'll see how easily you'll scrub and remove dirt, grime, pet hair, mud, grass, and much more. With that said, this brush by Chemical Guys is my go-to tool when it comes to cleaning my vehicles and my home. And that's just my point of view.